Oh, hey guys. Glad you could join us. We have some pretty important news, so please join us and let's have a fireside chat. So we've been Turbo Garage for the better part of a few years at least, and we've felt like it's not really represented us as a group, as like the two of us, and also a group of our community. So we've decided to change the name. Uh, we've come out with AF Garage, um, because really we enjoy anything that kind of runs on fuel, and you know doesn't really matter if it's turbocharged or not, because some cars you gotta enjoy them naturally aspirated
Or supercharged.
or supercharged. Yeah, true. Forgot about that. Along with the name and brand change, we have come to want a stricter schedule where we are shooting for twice a week uploads. Some weeks we may not achieve that, but that is our goal, to try and serve you guys the most content we can give you. So along with this schedule, you will be seeing a garage update, and also a new vehicle coming to the channel fairly soon, and then in the near-ish future, at least like within a month, there's going to be another reveal video that we haven't filmed yet. But yeah, it's on the way. So just look forward to that. Now we need some feedback from you guys. Really, we've been toying around with some ideas for doing a podcast, um, either streamed or just uploaded along sort of right video from us. Uh, yeah, comment down below if like what you would want to see with that, or if you don't want to see it. I guess also comment, but we really hope you do, because we've really actually kind of wanted to do this for years now. We just never really had the time to do it. But along with commenting about that, let us know if you want to see us review local cars, like friends of ours that have cool cars and stuff like that. We'd be really interested to bring you guys that sort of content. Not like make that our regular style, but like just throw in a car or two every once in a while. Just highlighting our local car scene. Other than that, please like, share, subscribe. It would really help us out. This is the end of our channel update. Sorry, it's been a little choppy, but it's hard to keep track of all the things in the mind.
And it's the end of Turbo Garage, so.
And it's the end of an era of Turbo Garage. Coming to the end.
And the start of a much better one.
It's gonna be great. We're really looking forward to this. So, thanks, guys. Bye.